Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hello Kannada devlog. In the last video, we deep dived into the content management system. I explained how we organize all the learning material. Today, we're shifting gears to part 2 of this backend tour, the user management system, or UMS for short. So, here's the main thing. Where does your progress actually go? I love the apps that do not take user data. I don't want your data sitting on some server if it doesn't need to be. So by default, everything, your current chapter, your quiz scores is stored right in your browser's local storage. It's safe, it's on your machine, and it's yours. But there is a catch. Local storage stays local. If you start learning on your phone on the bus and want to continue on your laptop at home, your progress won't automatically be there. We need a sync solution that still respects that privacy-first approach. So, I built two options. First, the manual way. You can export your entire data as a single JSON file. It's transportable. You can send it anywhere however you want it. But honestly, moving files around is tedious. Think of it less like a constant database sync and more like fetching a save file via a private link over the internet. Crucially, you trigger this as a manual overwrite. This is done with keeping users on mind. And if the sync prompts ever get annoying, you can totally disable them in settings or right from the pop-up modal. You are in control of your data. Now, let's talk about how you actually learn in the app. The easiest assumption for a developer is that a user starts at chapter 1 and just keeps going in a straight line. But that assumption is flawed. Hello Kannada isn't just for total beginners. What if you already know the basics? We have to allow skipping. If you want to jump ahead, you can take a chapter exam, pass it, and you skip the content right to the next bit. It's optional at first. But to keep things balanced, if you start skipping way too many chapters and books rapidly, the system will eventually force an exam just to make sure you aren't clicking through without learning. So, what does this data actually look like in that JSON file? If you're going linearly, we just store the last learned topic. Simple, but if you jump around, we specifically track which chapters or books you skipped. Oh, and since we support multiple users on one device, for profiling, we store usernames in there too. It's all wrapped up in that one importable JSON package. And that is the user management system for Hello Kannada. Privacy first, but flexible enough for real life. Let me know what you think of this approach down in the comments. Catch you in the next devlog. Bye.